So this question has a number of different parts. The first bit, it wants us to complete this table. So it's shown us here that when there's 1 diamond, there's 5 beads. There's 2 diamonds, there's 8 beads. And if I look at the pattern over here, when there's 3 diamonds, there will be 11 beads. Now the next bit is I just need to see how much it's going up by. So it's going up each time by 3. So 11, 14, and 17. And I would leave the last one until we've worked out a formula. Now the important bit, let's work out a formula for calculating the number of beads. Well, the formula will always start with the letter on the bottom line, so it's going to be B equals something. And how much it's going up by is what we times the other letter by. So this is going up by 3, as we saw earlier, so it's 3 times D. Now, if I times all of the numbers in the first row by 3, I don't get the row below. I would get 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9. So I'm always 2 shy. So to my formula, I need to add on the 2. So there's my formula. B equals 3 times D plus 2. Now, I need to fill in my table. I've still got to work out how many beads I need if I've got 10 diamonds. So I'm going to replace the D in my formula with 10. So 3 times 10 plus 2. 3 times 10 is 30. 30 plus 2 is 32. So fill in my table, 32. Last part of the question, a pattern has 50 beads. How many diamonds does it have? So in this time, we're not going to replace the D with the number, we're going to replace the B with the number because it's telling us how many beads. So I'm going to replace B with 50 and keep the right-hand side now the same. There we go. Now I need to solve this equation. So I'm going to take 2 away from both sides, so I get all my numbers on one side. So I'm going to get 48 is equal to 3D. Now I'm going to divide by the 3 because I want to get D on its own. And therefore, I am left with D is equal to 48 divided by 3, which is 16. So there's my answer.